Cheers, salute, gunway, toss, combine. Different languages, same word. Expressing good wishes before drinking. Today, amongst us, we have Mr. Rishi Gupta, who has compiled a guide for drinking and enjoying alcoholic drinks. Having traveled to many countries and tried different cuisines and drinks, he was always curious about what goes in different drinks and how they're produced. He would pen down his thoughts and expressions in a little black book, what we would call today as blogging. At the age of 65, he decided to combine two things he's passionate about: writing and enjoying alcohol. With 18 months of extensive research and going through many resources, he finally completed his book. And today we have the honor of having him with us. And with that, I'd like to pass on the mic. If you'd like to say a few words.
I would like to thank Meera and KitKat Productions for organizing such a wonderful event. Tell you frankly, I'm surprised. I never knew that I'm going to such an event. Thank you, Meera, and thank you everyone who are being a part of this event. As you have mentioned, I have traveled across the world and extensively I have traveled, and I used to enjoy beverages of all countries, especially the local ones. The locally brewed ones I enjoyed a lot. Then the thought came in my mind, what goes in all these things? How they are produced? That led me to compile, to do some research and put all these my research work into a guide so that everybody else can enjoy. So I have tried to make it very, very interesting. Normally people say, reading is boring, so but I try to make it very interesting. In my book you will find there's a chapter what you should drink according to your sun sign. I am a Leo, and believe me, the drink I have mentioned in my book, whenever I take that drink, I really enjoy it. How alcohol acts differently on different persons. It depends on race, your build, your age, your gender. I have mentioned everything about that. Then there is a mention in my book about what you should take according to your blood group and what you should not take. Another aspect was from the diabetic patients. They always ask me, can we take, sir? If we can, how much we can take? I have given a full chapter on whether diabetes patients can you enjoy the alcoholic drinks or not, and if so, how much to take, or everything is mentioned that, including blood pressure and everything I have tried to mention in my book. So I think I have tried to make it very, very interesting, as well as another thing. Most of the people, especially in Middle East and in India, still do not know which glass to use for what drink.
Right.
For them, even a steel glass is okay.
Even the bottle cover.
So I have tried to address all those issues in my book. And I have also tried to put in my book the laws of various countries about the drinking laws about various countries. So I have tried to make everything, whatever is possible, I have tried to put all these things into my book. I have also talked to my channel. Some people say, should we eat before or should we eat after? And if so, what we should eat with our drink? I said, okay. And there is a chapter in my book which says, look at what you should eat with beer and which beer. Instance, and everything is mentioned. And then also with your everything is mentioned. And that whatever was into it. And you know, most of the chapters have emerged because of the frequently asked questions. People ask me, oh, what we should do, what kind of thing is this, and you know, even one of the question was asked by my nephew. So, okay, so I said, okay, I didn't know about that. Then I did some research and I put that will be in my book as well. I'm sure you will find it very, very interesting to read. It's the same way as I found it interesting to write. So I will say, cheers.
He's happy to sign the books. It's only $10 special price for everyone.
This one is also this is a Marilyn Monroe shaped bottle which contains whiskey.
Wow.
This is one of my
Why you choose this photo?
I like this.
Alright, thank you very much, and thank you again everyone for coming. I hope you enjoy your evening, and cheers!
Today's program, organized by Neera and KitKat Productions, it was a bit surprise for me. I never knew that it is for the launch of my book. I have traveled extensively, and during my travel, I always wanted to know what kind of ingredients are there in the drinks they serve to me. I was very keen, especially in the local brews. So I decided to make some research, and then I compiled all my work into a guide that will help others also to enjoy their alcoholic drinks. To make my book very interesting, I added some chapters related with the day-to-day drinking. For example, there was a most frequently asked question to me was, should I add water or soda with my whiskey, and if so, how much? So I asked them, what is the purpose of your drinking? Do you want to enjoy or do you want to have a buzz? If you want to enjoy, just add a little water or some 2 cubes of soda, 2 cubes of ice, and if you want to have a buzz, just add some carbonated drink. That will give you a good buzz. In my book, I have also mentioned about what suits your sun sign, and also what suits your blood group. According to your blood group, what you should drink and what you should not. There are many questions from diabetic patients, blood pressure patients, and they ask me, should we drink or not? I have addressed all their questions in my book. Then I have also mentioned in my book how alcohol affects differently on different persons. For example, how it acts, how a lady or a gent will react. How it depends on what kind of race you belong to, what is your build, what is your age, because alcohol has different effect on different persons. So I have addressed all those things. There are also, I have addressed in my book what kind of glass you should use while you use a particular drink. For example, there is champagne glasses, there are white wine glasses, there are red wine glasses. Champagne glasses are flute type because they trap the bubbles. So, I mean, there are different types of glasses for each drink. I have tried to address all those in my book. I have tried to make it very, very interesting, and I am sure, as I have found it writing very interestingly, then sure same way you will also enjoy reading it. Thank you very much. Cheers.